morning, happy Monday. Here is the lesson 5 problem set. This is the last one that focuses on graphs and data. Use the table to complete the bar graph, then answer the following questions. So the title is number of dimes. I want you to write that whole thing out right here. I want you to write the whole thing, but I am going to abbreviate it since I'm on a laptop and it would take me way too long. Okay, and then we have Emily, Andrew, Thomas, and Ava. There you go, AJ. This one's about you. So we have Emily. Please write their full name, and I'll just abbreviate it to save our time. All right, and then you'll notice that the only thing we don't have now is our numbers. So we'll count up by ones, starting with 0. So it's important that we start our graphs with 0 always, because this line right here, if no blocks are filled in, then they have none. Okay, so we'll fill in Emily's 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then color that all the way in. Got away from me, that wasn't the best. 12. So Andrew's will go to right here. Thomas 6, and Ava 13 dimes. Okay, so hopefully yours is much more neater than mine. You can use cool colors if you want, do the bars different color, and then answer the questions. How many more dimes does Andrew have than Emily? You'll do a subtraction problem and so on. The next page for the problem set is the number of dimes donated. You will label the graph again with number of dimes donated. The names that did the numbers for you. This one is vertical, you're doing columns, and then you'll answer the questions. On the homework pages, same thing. You'll label the graph, fill out all the data, color in the graph. Make sure you remember numbers here, and we always start with 0, and then answer the questions on both pages. And I would like you to submit this page right here, lesson 5 homework. It's the first homework page. Thanks.